going on, guys? Just got out of the theater for The Naked Gun 2025, and I had a blast with this movie. I am glad I watched the original movie before heading into this one, so I got a good amount of the references. So I definitely say Liam Neeson does a really good job in this movie to portraying the original character from the first movie in a little bit of a different way, but they'll explain that part within like the first 10 minutes of the movie. So I definitely say give this movie a chance. You're gonna laugh your ass off and have a good time with this movie. So go see The Naked Gun 2025 in the theater.